Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest engine full complete racing kit large capacity cylinder kit. Item number 1. 110cc jog engine full complete racing kit large capacity cylinder kit crankshaft long stroke 3mm tuning parts jog 50 jog 90 by BWSP racing engine kit 110cc 3 kGA jog 50 110cc liquid cooling complete engine supplied with 54mm Charmo cylinder crankshaft 45mm racing transmission kit powerful starter racing ignition intake manifold, carburetor 29.5mm, CVT cover. Kit also includes radiator, hoses, mechanical pump, kickstart leg, throttle system, ignition coil, brand name, WSPA origin, CN origin item diameter, 1 cm item height, 1 cm item length, 1 cm displacement, ml, 110cc material type, steel, aluminum, rubber. Item type, engines item weight, 30 kg special features, jog 53 kg item width, 1 cm no. Of cylinders, 1 cylinder external testing certification, model name, engine kit jog Aerox. Item number 2, BWSP engine Dio 50 AF 18 125cc full complete large cylinder displacement 54mm crankshaft 52.6mm JISO variator tuning exhaust black version, BWSP black edition Dio 50 tuning engine AF 18 125cc, BWSP black edition, supplied with big bore cylinder kit 54mm. Crankshaft 52.6mm. Item number 3, BWS 100 Big Bore Kit 56mm Water Cooling Cylinder 4VP Tuning Parts Racing Exhaust Muffler CVT Kit Radiator Pump BWS 100 Upgrade. This is Big Bore Kit 125cc for Yamaha BWS 100 4VP engine, power and speed increased. This kit includes 1. Water-cooled cylinder kit 56mm Charmo, 2. Crankshaft plus 1mm, 3. Radiator with hose and electrical pump, 4. Carburetor 27mm with intake manifold and air filter plus gaskets, 5. Kozo torque driver, pulleys, 6. Clutch bell WBO, 7. Clutch pads Prodigy, 8. Variator with Teflon coat. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products then see the description, click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos subscribe to the channel.